My favorite part of fishing eagle is the adventure of the unknown, and each year provides a new opportunity to continue to learn this unmapped body of water and uncover her secrets. But Eagle Lake can be temperamental, meaning the fish can turn off just as fast as they turn on.
Happy Wednesday? Tuesday. You guys, I don't want to do this.
Come on, you need to.
Hi guys, it's day 4 on Eagle Lake and we are out fishing.
No, honey. It's hard.
It is hard. I don't like it.
No, just say it's, hey guys, Victoria here. It's day 4 on our annual Eagle Lake trip.
It's easy for you to say.
Kyle and Levi went out this morning while I slept in. Because I caught
Guys,
such a big They raised 4 fish. We'll show you those first and then we'll get on with the rest of our day. If it looks a little cloudy, it's because it is. There's wildfire smoke everywhere.
And cut.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys, we are out on Eagle Lake, day 4 here. Kyle and Levi woke up early and went fishing. They moved a couple and then they came in and got me and we're headed out again. It was a little cloudy when we first got out here and now it's pretty smoky from the wildfires up here in Canada. So air quality I'm sure is very good. But yeah. So we're gonna go fish and we'll let you know how we do.
Oh,
Fish?
yeah. Right
Keep
there.
going, keep going. Don't stop. Did he try to eat it?
He just like, I don't know what he did to it. It wasn't like a
what?
He didn't like, I wasn't able to set the hook.
But he nipped it?
Yeah, he like nipped at it. But did you see him surface?
Yeah, I saw a flash.
Yeah.
I didn't get a good look at it. Nipped ya. That's what they do with topwater though, and like, did you try and set the hook?
No, I didn't.
No.
It just was like,
Yeah, because usually what happens is they nip and people see it happen and they set the hook before it actually like really has hooks.
yeah, that's so weird how they don't, like,
Well, I think what happens in the wild is they'll grab the tail of the bait fish and it'll make the bait fish go sideways and then they eat it.
oh, okay. Like,
Oh, there he is right there. He swiped at me. Where are you at? Come here, come on back, come on back. I missed it.
Was he pretty active?
That's a good fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it happened quick. And then he just went back down. Got him?
He just nipped at it. He
Okay, keep going, keep going.
Yep. Just nipped at it. He didn't do anything else.
Keep going. He's under you. Slow. Okay. Spot lock us right here.
Like, it was the exact same thing. It was just like a...
I thought he pulled you under a little bit, did he?
I mean, it didn't.
Yeah.
No, it didn't feel anything like a normal fish bite to like set the hook. Anyways.
That was a big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's interesting. That little underwater deal.
Underwater hotel.
Well, should we go see if she's ready?
Yeah, she should be.
She should be ready, yeah.
Because that was 45. I mean, we got out here.
Yeah, I mean, I want to go try some new while the weather's like this. I guess the best time to find fish. We raced 4 earlier, nothing on this last run, unfortunately. So he was relatively close to shore, so I'd give that a shot.
What time of day was that?
That was yesterday morning at like 8:30 in the morning.
Okay.
9 o'clock, right in there.
Well, yeah, I know Rich, they're out the channel.
Otherwise, if you go off a tugboat, so this is Tugboat Island. There's a small rock.
Yep.
Island that's right there, and then you got the big island. Off the back side of this, there's like a 20-foot shelf that comes off like this, that third island there. 20 to 30 foot shelf. I was catching walleyes on that last year, midday. And then I'm trying to think where else I saw them.
That's about the only place we were catching them on.
But yeah, I watched him catch them right here, so
Okay.
I would definitely give that a shot.
All right. Yeah, we'll definitely do that.
Probably all the way around that point's probably pretty good.
Yep.
So,
All right.
yep.
But for this morning, I suppose we better go by Rich if we're going to do a shore lunch or try to do a shore lunch. We better stick with them guys. But
We can stop maybe at that little patch for a couple on
Yeah.
the way by it, huh?
oh, yeah.
We pulled a musky off of that this morning.
Did you?
Mhm.
Right on
Yeah,
the
it nipped the back of his topwater bait and never got hooks.
Because we caught, I don't know, 4 or 5 walleyes the other day.
There was walleyes in there on both sides of the cabbage bed. I marked them on my electronics.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
on my
just
side
just
imaging.
about every pass, and then it all wants to quit. A lot of them throw back. I caught the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. That thing was a fighter. He come up to the top, and boy, I thought it was a big northern at first, you know.
Yeah.
He was a scrapper.
This was in that map. I don't know if
Oh,
you need it or want it, but okay. Well, we're gonna let the batteries charge for a little while. Good luck, guys.
good luck. Bacon and eggs and stuff for you.
Does she? That'd be great. They're gonna bite today.
Yeah.
Look at this weather.
the only sandy area, like a beach, that I can remember seeing. Out here.
Yep.
That's probably why they kept.
Oh, it's exactly why muskies love sand. It's warm. We raised 4. Levi had 2 nip the back of the top water.
Nice.
I never got hooks. I raised 1 on a beaver, 2 on a beaver. 1 on side imaging, and then the other one I saw swipe at the bait and then went down. What's up here? We're definitely gonna need to get the batteries on the charger tonight.
Somebody gonna have to be on duty.
I'm actually not worried about the trolling motor today, just because I basically had it on 2 all day yesterday. It's the electronics that I get more worried about, but I've only been running 3 of the screens, so. I just had a follow. Or somebody did. I saw it. I went around with my Suic and I saw it sitting back here. It was a good one. It was a good fish. Well, no, he wasn't chasing me. He was under it. Like he had sat there for a while. Yeah, that was definitely a follow from somebody. I don't know who. He was not behind mine. It was kind of a blonde fish. I could see it pretty good. Smart.
I'm really good at missing blonde ones.
Well, and the big ones follow low, so there's a chance that he followed the beaver and then didn't like whatever you did, or didn't like the boat or whatever, and went down. But yeah, I ran the bait past it because I saw it down there and I couldn't tell if it was a stump that like came out or if it was a fish, like a log or something.
Yeah, obviously in the water.
But then I saw it on side imaging, so I'm assuming, because I don't see it now. Like there might be some cabbage back in that cove.
Look at that big rock coming down slope.
Okay, I caught a fish on a cast. Now I want to catch one in the lake.
I'm still just tickled silly from that fish last night. That was epic.
Is there anything on the side imaging?
No, why?
I was just wondering.
In terms of a fish?
Yeah, that's what I was asking.
No.
Oh, we got Judy pads up there.
Got him right here, right here. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna bring him around. Stay down. Ready? Right, right.
Nice!
Fish on. Fish on.
In the 8.
You got him in the 8?
Yeah, in the 8.
Okay, this is
Easy,
easy,
buddy.
I saw a fish, and I'm like, that's why I said, I'm like, was there anything?
You did see that.
Well, that's why I asked.
Take it up there and slide the handle in that.
No, I'm like, God, I could have swore that was something.
You were right.
And I knew I wouldn't catch it.
Little guy, but
Hey, feed the family.
yeah, exactly. So
was-
this here,
A wily little one,
Yeah.
too.
so it goes all the way, just like that.
Okay.
I'll take him. Is it rocking?
It's rocking.
All right, guys. Well, it is day 4 here. Pretty productive day so far. Levi and I have, as you've already seen, we've raised 4 fish. But we're fishing some new stuff today, and we're working through it pretty fast. And we have good overcast conditions right now. And usually the fish are charged up, so I like to work through stuff fast, especially new stuff when this happens, just because you're gonna move fish. They're gonna be active. We may have some storms later, so they're gonna be charged up, right? So the goal of this is get on them, find them, locate them, come back on them, figure out the spots that maybe you haven't fished before, so that you can find new areas to target fish in the future. So this is a smaller one. She's not real big, but we'll take her nonetheless, because it lets us know that this is a productive area. Pull her out here, and the suet kind of got her in the head there. So little fish, I don't know, 30 incher or so. Good sign for the fishery. We're gonna get her back so she can heal up. And these little ones are all piss and vinegar.
Nice.
So I'm gonna let her go before she bones.
Nice.
Okay, let her go here. I'm glad she didn't flop on me. There she goes.
See you later.
Cool. I can feel you all around me. Oh, I just got whacked. There he is too. That was the fish. It's right here. There he is. He's on it again. Here he is. Wasn't very big, mid-30s probably. He never got under the side image. Shoot. What's that?
How did she know that that's what? What do we got here? Is this
I shouldn't. I'm working on my
pepper
fur.
jack, dude.
Yeah, so it was right in here. See how the edge comes out like that, and it was right in here where that fish hit. because we went over this. I'm like, oh, it gets really shallow here, and then it like dropped off. I'm like, oh, there's a nice inside turn under the water, and that's where she was sitting. Levi's the king of casting backwards. I don't know why.
Literally. Look at that whole island over there you have.
It's not a big deal when it's 2 people in the boat, but when it's 3, it gets a little tight. If the front guy's casting toward the back.
Like in the middle?
Look at where he's standing. Stand on the mat.
The best part is then he moves and he's like just about to pull out the plug to the...
Yeah, I know. Stand on the mat. Oh, there
He's
you
playing Titanic, okay, leave me.
I don't see that.
What would we do without Levi in the boat?
How boring.
Are you gonna even talk to me on Thursday and Friday?
Yeah, because we're going to be fishing together.
What is the bar?
Here's what you got halfway into your...
Oh shoot. This is so good.
If I cut the fish, you owe me $500. 500 is like my go-to amount of money.
Oh, this is good.
I know, you get those at Costco.
There he is, right here. He's on me. Oh, he darted, damn it. I did a death pause, and right when I went to move it, he took off. Fish
Good
number...
size?
That one was a little better, yeah. Still in that 30-inch range, that mid-30s range. Number 10.
I don't even know if I have any funny stuff left. I've already used all my content. Oh,
Should we stick a 50?
kind of weird, but
I'm gonna
might-
pop some tags.
Levi?
He's trying to get chapstick.
Oh, yeah, but he can do that over there. Okay. Okay, I've had enough.
oh my god, I hated that. Actually, you know what? I know where the fires are. The fires are coming from my lips.
All that smoke
I'm not kidding.
coming right from you guys' face.
Yeah, where are the wildfires coming from? Right there. Look at this guy. His lips are red hot. Alright, here we go.
Yo, 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 yo. Oh. I missed the baby.
The what?
The yo, 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 baby pop. I just kept saying yo. Yo.
Look at the fish. Look at
Oh,
him.
yep. Keep going, keep going. Told you there'd be one here. Oh, no, you gotta bring it around him, Levi.
Oh, that's good.
Keep going, keep going.
Death pause maybe once you get out here.
So we're gonna... I knew there'd be one here. It was a blondie.
Yeah, it was blonde. Yeah, it's good.
So,
Save your camera on your head.
just wait.
Oh, no, yeah.
So what you want to do is you came back like this, and you like came back super tight on it. You should have just kept bringing that fish as wide as you could,
Okay.
all the way around. You can't make sharp turns on them.
That's where I thought if I was going to go in front of him that it would have been like a too
No,
sharp of
because
a turn.
what you probably should have done is as soon as you saw the fish, you should have dove it down
Okay.
and brought it as wide as you could.
Yep.
What did
Out
you
here.
do? Instead of catching
He kept it up far too long, and then he came like this really fast and turned right back on it, and it spooked the
yeah,
fish.
Yep.
But you
Like
tried to put it back
what you
want to
do is,
Because otherwise I didn't.
Which
the
in-
first turn was bad.
which
because I
in
didn't
theory
have
should work, but she's down on the side. Which in theory should work, but with a fish like that fish was so hot on the bait. All you want to do is keep that fish moving. So you should have, as soon as you saw her, you should have been like this, brought it like this, and got as wide as you could,
Mm-hmm.
like that. And I would say with like in that situation,
You don't have
basically,
to do an 8 anymore, right?
yeah, you
just kinda
came in like
fix
tight like this, and you went like right back on her, like, and I don't know. Generally, I found that the wider you make your turns, the better.
Okay.
But that fish
And
will
you
come
wouldn't
back
have to
again.
worry about an 8 anymore at that point.
No, I wouldn't
Just
do an
get
8
it
at
out
all.
into a
No,
big
I
circle.
would, especially with top water, I wouldn't do an 8 at all in that situation. I would have just kept it as wide as you possibly can. We'll go back on her. She'll show
See,
again.
maybe I don't want to catch one in the 8 because that makes me so nervous. Because it's harder
Yeah. Oh no.
than if they just
All right,
when you're out
let's.
there.
Ready? Have that suic rod.
I have to pee, but I'm gonna basically do what people do in marathons. I'm just gonna pee and poop my pants.
Okay, I'm gonna get us in position here.
Yep.
Before we even make a cast, I will tell you when. Cast away. But stand forward, Levi. Watch really deep behind your bait. This fish likes to follow deep.
There he is.
Got him?
Right here.
Yep.
Wide, Levi.
Wide.
Back to your belly.
Wide.
Is it still there?
Nope. He went down and to the right.
Nice eye though.
I did see it.
He was deep.
Yeah, he was really deep.
He was deep.
Like deep down there.
Really deep.
Was it big?
Yeah.
Yeah. I could barely see it really.
Now the second guessing starts. Should we have thrown bigger baits? I thought for sure she'd follow that top water again, so I didn't even bother throwing on a tube or something. This is one of those fish that when she decides to eat, she's just gonna blindside it in the 8, and you're never even gonna see it coming.
Yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking.
She's gonna fall from deep and just absolutely crush it. And you're just gonna have to hang on.
Kind of what I was thinking.
Sometimes I wonder, like, every time I fish this spot, I always approach it from the outside, but I'm like wondering it, would it be, it's right here. I swore that was her.
I swore I did too, Kyle. That's so funny. I saw the same thing, so I don't know what it was, but
You saw that too, right? Like, I wasn't just,
I almost
I literally,
said something, and then I was like, no, and then you said it, and I'm like, oh yeah. That means she likes the beaver.
she never showed up on side imaging, but I'm like 100% positive that was her.
I don't know how we both saw the same thing, and I didn't see that it was a fish.
Oh,
I
it
saw
was,
something.
it looked just like a northern does right before dark in the spear hole.
Like a shadow.
Yeah, and it just slithered in.
Yes.
Like,
But then I didn't see it again, so I don't know. But it was odd that you saw it. As soon as I was not going to say something down.
we should probably head.
Final.
Final. I don't think she's gonna go. Feels like everything's shut off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like the loons are done calling, and maybe right when they, in hindsight, maybe right when they started calling, we should have casted versus waiting.
That was fun. I hate that this fish didn't eat. Makes me sad.
Eagle Lake can be temperamental. meaning the fish can turn off just as fast as they can turn on. Despite fish chasing baits throughout day 4, the juvenile fish caught earlier in the day ended up being the last muskie we were able to successfully boat on our 2023 trip. With this fact still unknown at the time, Levi and I decided to hit the water early on day 5 to give him a few more chances at boating a muskie before he needed to depart for home. Even with fish continuing to chase, we were unsuccessful at boating a muskie and ended up getting stormed off the water. For the remainder of the week, it was just Victoria and me, and the weather was not our friend. Mother Nature gifted us with sporadic thunderstorms and sustained winds of close to 30 miles per hour, which limited our time on the water and our ability to fish the locations we desired. Despite the slow start to the trip and the challenging weather conditions to end it, our 2023 trip was once again a great time that provided many now cherished memories. The moment we departed Pine Beach Lodge, we were already looking forward to our 2024 trip and the opportunity to attempt to master this complex and pristine body of water. Thank you so much for following along on this vlog series. We appreciate each and every one of you who follows along on our journey. Until next time, take care, and we'll catch you on the next spot.
I hate that. Don't make me do it again.
I love Vicky.
I love snacky Vicky.
They what?
Huh? They like snacky Vicky. Not talky Vicky. I don't want to talk to a camera. Unless it's about clothes.
Yeah.
Then I can chit chat.
You could have a closed session. Or like, maybe not.
So I'm wearing the Sims. Two-tone. I don't know. These are American Eagle jeans from 2009. Amazon, $15.99.
Really good at swatting wasps.
Yeah, killed a couple.
Mm-hmm.
Black jackets, white jackets, what is it? Yellow jackets are Wisconsin, Minnesota. Canada has white jackets. Are we gonna go?